How to delete photos on Windows. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some main ways to delete photos on Windows step by step. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the things we can do is we can delete from File Explorer. So open up File Explorer, you can press Windows plus E as per the shortcut key and go to the folder where your photos are stored. So go ahead and look out for your folders where it's stored. For example, with this. And once you open it up, well, all you gotta do is click on the photo that you want to delete. So go ahead and find the photo, right click on it, and once you right click on it, all you gotta do is click on this delete option and go ahead and delete. That should send the photo to the recycle bin and you should be able to delete it. Apart from that, you can delete multiple photos at once also. So you can press Ctrl plus A, and once you do, you can click on the delete option here. Otherwise, you can just go and right click again and select the option of delete in order to delete all of them together. And again, if you want to permanently delete it, what we need to do is we need to press Ctrl plus A. Now, you just need to go ahead and press Shift plus delete. And when you do, you just need to confirm this up. And when you do so, you will be permanently deleting the pictures, and that will delete them immediately and they cannot be easily recovered as well. And that's it. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you want to delete photos from your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.